Namaskar friends, once again we are together and the occasion is ARPIT 2019. Friends, the result is declared today. I would like to talk about the result of ARPIT 2019. This is the annual refresher program which we have conducted and you have successfully attended the program organized by Ministry of Human Resource Development of Government of India. Friends, I am very happy to share it with you that we had about 9,000 participants from across the country with us. And I am thankful to all the participants who made this program a huge success. And today is the day when we are looking at the result. Before we look at the results, friends, I would like to thank all of you. I would like to thank all the resource persons. I would like to thank MHRD. I would like to thank UGC. I would like to thank all the participants who really made it a huge success. How can I forget the technical staff who has been working at the background? They made our videos, our presentation very beautiful. I'm thankful to all those who are directly or indirectly associated with this ARPIT 2019 program of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Friends, the day has come when we are going to look at the result. Before we look at the result, one small thing I would like to say that there are many friends who have encouraged us, who have boosted our confidence, who have motivated us for better performance and for better presentations for the course. I would like to share some of them with you. Have a look at these feedbacks. Yes friends, there are plenty of such feedbacks which we have received from all of you, and I am thankful to all those who have sent their feedbacks and motivated us. Now let's come to the result. Let's not wait more. I don't want you to wait more for the results. If you want to get your result, there is a step-by-step guideline available for that, friends. The first thing is just to visit Swayam portal and Swayam website. The website, if you remember, is https://swayam.gov.in. That is our Swayam website which you have visited plenty of times during our program. Just click on the sign in button. Sign in, log in to this website. Now how will you log in? You have to use your credentials which you have been using earlier. Use the Swayam credentials which you have used for your ARPIT course. When you used to study our ARPIT program, you had username and password. So use them. Now when you will go there, you will have a screen in which you have already entered your data. After entering your username and password, naturally you will enter in the website. After successfully logged in, you have to look at the top right corner and just click on the down arrow next to email ID. Next to your email ID, just click on the My Courses from the drop down menu. When you click on My Courses, it will show you courses, which will take you to the list of the ARPIT courses which you have selected for your learning and study. Now it will show you the program or the course for which you have appeared in exam. After it shows that, click on that. After you click on that, it will show you go to the course button, and that will land you to the page where Swayam announcement for new learners is available. Near that, there is an option available called Progress. Click on the Progress. After you click on the Progress, it will show you a result. And the result will look like 2019 and the date of enrollment, whatever your date of enrollment is. It will show you your email address. It will show you your name. When it will show you the score of the course, there are various columns. It will show you the score of the course. The columns are like roll number, assignment marks, exam marks, and final score. Now, when you look at the roll number, this is the roll number through which you have enrolled. Friends, we have almost all the assignments online. Whatever you have submitted, the scores are based on that. And that is out of 30. That means 30%. And another score, which is a score of exam, that is out of 70 marks. When you appear for the term end exam, and whatever score you got out of term end exam, that appears here out of 70. And the last column shows you the total. Whatever total is, you have to look at the total. The total should be more than 50. If your total is 50 or above than that, then you passed it. Friends, the minimum passing standard for this ARPIT program is 50%. So if you have scored more than 50, you are successful. I have received many messages from the friends who have secured about 90%, about 80%, about 75%. They are sharing their scores with me. I am very happy, friends. I guess most of you are successful who appeared in exam. Congratulations to all the participants who have completed this course successfully. And friends, I guess we will meet soon with another online course. Our UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University and our National Resource Center under auspicious guidance of Ministry of Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, both are working on various online courses. We will come with new online courses and we will keep you updated. Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations to all of you and thank you for being with us in this journey of ARPIT 2019 program.